Whisper English, ASMR. Learn while you sleep. Lie down gently. Let your head rest, your shoulders relax, and slow down your breathing. Inhale slowly and exhale. Once more. Inhale and exhale. You don't have to think of this like study. You don't have to remember. Just listen and drift off to sleep. Tonight, we are going to practice simple greetings and the gentle grammar of to be. Are you ready? You can close your eyes. Now imagine you are in a small park. Early morning light filters through the leaves. There are people walking slowly. Some people are jogging. Some people are smiling as they pass by. You sit on a bench, sipping something warm. A person walks by and says, softly, "Good morning. How are you?" You smile and say, "I am good, thanks. Thank you for asking." The person smiles back. "That's good. I am happy to see you." You reply, "I am happy too." Another person walks past. He waves and says, "Hi, I'm Tom." You wave. "Hello, I'm Anna." He nods. "I'm not feeling tired today. It is a good day." You laugh softly. "Well, I'm not tired either." As you sit, a group of people walk by. One says, "She is my sister." Another adds, "We are going to the market." A child skips ahead, saying, "I'm excited." You smile and nod. Someone next to you says, "They are very friendly." You reply, "Yes, they are." You close your eyes and listen. More voices in the distance. "I am new here." "She is not here today." "They are not from around here." "We are happy to meet you." You feel the words around you. Calm, gentle, natural. This is the best way to learn. The verb to be is very special. We use it to say what we are or are not. Repeat softly or in your mind. You choose how you wish to learn. I am. You are. He is. She is. We are. They are. Now, the negative. I am not. You are not. He is not. She is not. We are not. They are not. Let's listen again. I am happy. I am not tired. He is Tom. He is not tired. They are not late. She is not at home. We are not busy. Let's whisper them again together. I am happy. You are kind. She is my friend. We are not sad. They are here. He is ready. I am not worried. They are not hungry. You hear a voice. Good morning. How are you? He says, "Are," because it's you. You reply, "I am fine." Is for I. I'm happy to see you. Short for I am. Another voice. I'm Tom. Yes. He says, I'm not tired today. Not tired. That's the negative. She is my friend. She is, we say, is her for she. They are not late. They are not. She is not at home. Negative form again. She is not. We are happy to meet you. We are, for us, together. You can whisper to yourself, softly, or think in your mind. I am learning. I am calm. I am improving. Say it with me. I am happy. You are my friend. He is here. She is not at home. We are not angry. They are ready. I am not worried. you say the words in your dream. You can remember even while you sleep. Play this again, maybe another night, or listen again now. With each listen, it becomes more natural. Tonight, you have practiced to be in the present, affirmative and negative. You heard, I am, you are, she is, and I am not, they are not. You greeted, you smiled, you whispered, you listened, you repeated, your mind remembers. Even now, as you drift, you are learning gently. Good night and sweet